Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well, and today it's gonna be a very important video for you because in this video I will show you how you can register in Cisia website. And you know, Cisia website is the only official website where you have to register for TOLC exam. Then I will show you how you can download TOLC practice materials, and at the same time I will show you how you can perform TOLC simulation. So TOLC simulation is the main attraction today, so stay with me. Let's see. So first of all, let's write TOLC simulation. Okay, so this is the official website, Cisia TOLC exercise and simulation, written in Italian language, so we can't understand it, but just click here. Let's change the language to English. Okay, so you can see here all types of exam: TOLC-I, TOLC-I for engineering, TOLC-E for economics, TOLC-B, I'm not sure right now, but you can check. You have to go through this link. TOLC-F for pharmacy, TOLC-AV for medical studies, and there are only 3 types of TOLC in English: TOLC-I, TOLC-E, TOLC-F. Okay, so today we are mostly focused on TOLC-I. So let's see the syllabus and structure. So these are the sections here. So in TOLC-I exams there are 4 sections: mathematics, logic, science, reading comprehensions. So total 50 questions, and you will be given in total 110 minutes. So let's break down it. So most of the questions will come from mathematics. It's logical because it's this exam for engineering. So in 20 questions you will be given 15 minutes, so that's not less. I think that's enough time, because the TOLC exam not so difficult, but 2.5 minutes per questions, I think is more than enough. So logic 10 questions, and you will be given 20 minutes. So sciences 10 questions, same time. Reading comprehensions, there will be 2 texts, so out of those texts you have to answer 10 questions, 5 for each. So the same time frame, 20 minutes. Okay, so these are the syllabus for TOLC-I exam. For logic and reading comprehensions there are no specific syllabus. Questions will comes from general knowledge and from paper or books. For mathematics, these are the topics, so you have to prepare for these 4 topics you have to prepare. And then from physics, these are the topics like mechanics, optics, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism. And for chemistry, these are the topics. So study hard and prepare for the TOLC exam. Okay, let's go back and let's see how we can register. Okay, so first of all, what is MOOC? So MWC, actually these are the courses. If you click here, and there will be another directory, so you can register for the different courses to improve your knowledge, but right now we are not focusing on that. So let's go next options. How can I practice for TOLC? So there are different options for practicing. So to practice, we have to go the TOLC practice area. So if we go there, we can test with solved and commented questions, self-learning mentor, and sample test. Okay, so these the 3 benefits we'll get if we go there. So let's click and go there. Okay, so this is in Italian. Okay, let me translate it, then you will understand well. So here, practice with updated version of SAVE. This is a computer program, ACV. You have to download it. Okay, I will show it later on, but first of all, let's register. So haven't registered yet, sign in. So we have to click this option and then let's sign in. Okay, so our first name, okay, your name, just I'm putting a value as just a character I put there. Male, date of birth, I am just choosing an arbitrary number. A day, for example, 31/03, then 2005. Okay, we choose already, so no problem. Region, foreign state, let's make it original language because sometimes it doesn't accept translated name or translated input. So let's make it Italian, then let's see. So region, stato estero, that means foreign state. We have to choose that. Then we'll choose the country. You can choose a country from wherever you are. So I'm choosing Bangladesh. We don't have codice fiscal, so we can just select this non in possesso di codice fiscale. So just select it. In that case, you don't need to. Codice fiscale is actually a tax code, Italian tax code. Whenever you come Italy, you must have that ID. So right now we don't need. Email address, I'm putting an email address. Okay. We have to give an password. I inputted a password. Now we have to select the institute where we want to admit. Let's check in English so that we can understand. For example, first of all, we have to select the region where we want to sit. Okay, foreign state. Selection of the high school. Let's check it. Foreign state, then common selection. Just other. Altro means other. Okay, let's check again. What does it say? Address type selection. So these options are not important if you are from a foreign country. So just select other. I mean altro, no problem at all. High school name selection. So you are not from Italy, so again I'm selecting other. It's completely okay. Then let's check. Okay, all are done. So let's try to insert them. Okay, we'll click now here. Yeah, it's done. Now click yes, but before clicking you should read this. So I know maybe it's long paragraph, so it will take time, but at least you should translate it and you should try to read, because there are terms and conditions. You should know them. So I do not encourage you to just skip. So try to read them, try to understand. Okay, then select yes, otherwise they will not accept. If you this bar doesn't comes at the bottom, in that case you cannot select yes. Okay, so ensure first that this button, this black bar, is at bottom here, then select. If you are a student with disability or with DSA, select at least one of the following boxes. The information is necessary to carry out the exercise with the additional time. No, we are not disabled person. Okay, now we can register it. So click here, let's check. Okay, I'm selecting it. We have to select the bicycle. Avanti means next, so we have to select the autobus. So autobus, only these options. Okay, Verifica. Now we'll go next. Confirma. Okay, so let's check with English whether if we have sent you an email with an activation string, so you can activate your profile. You should receive it within a few minutes. Please check your inbox. Okay, so our registration is successful. Now we have to activate the registration through the email, so we have to click there. So I'm doing it right now. Link, and it was activated. So let's refresh it. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it's done. Now we can simply log in to our ID. So let's go back. Okay, yes, we are here. So accedi means login. So just click here, then put our information. Then our password. Login. So our password accepted. Now we logged in here. So this is our personal page. Here you can see the home page. Now all options are visible. Before activating, it was not here. And also your name, your birth date, and where are you from, all are here. You don't have codice fiscale. This information also mentioned. So first of all, to go with next step, we have to install this software. So I already installed this software for my computer, so today I will just skip, but I am showing it. You have to click here, Scarica e installa. So installa means installation. So if you click, this computer software will be installed in your computer, then not installed, download it, then you have to install it. Remember, without this computer software you can't meet for TOLC exam. It's important. Okay, so I in this area, bottom of this page, you will see these boxes. So these boxes are for different options. We will just check these two. This is simulationi dei test and materiali per esercitarsi. So these two options, if you click here, then you can download the materials. So I clicked here. Okay, now you can see different button, TOLC-I, TOLC-E, TOLC-S. If you click here, then you can see different options. These are the materials you can download, but all are these in Italian language. So I would recommend you to go bottom, and here you can see TOLC English. So if you click here, then a PDF documents related to TOLC-I will be downloaded. So you can just save them, okay, here like this, and you can save them. Okay, I saved it. If you like to download some materials from TOLC-E, then just click here, TOLC-F. If you like to download related to test architecture, like if some of you like to sit for or wish to admit in architecture course, then you have to meet this exam, but this is not in English, it's in Italian language. And there are some other materials, mentor, this is self-learning, you can download them. Those are 3 PDFs, mentor di logica, mentor di matematica, mentor di scienze. So this PDF actually in Italian language but useful, so I'm making videos on it, tutorials, so you can just watch them, you will understand, because I translate them and I make tutorials on them, so it's easy to understand. However, this is not my main purpose. I will go back and I will do right now the most important part of our video today, simulation of the TOLC exam. So let's go with it. So this is simulation area, and here for TOLC-I, I mean for all kind of exams, you know, like if you make an correct answer, so 1 point will be given, and if you don't answer, in that case 0, and if you make a wrong answer, in that case negative 0.25, that means 25% will be deducted from your obtained mark. Okay, so here also options for downloading save, but I already downloaded, so no need. Okay, so if you click this button on the bottom here, then you can see the all available simulation. Okay, so we will go English TOLC-I. Let's click here. There are 2 practice materials, 2 practice options. We'll go for TOLC-I. Let's click here. Okay, Aviva, let's do it. Inicia means a start, so let's start our exam. Okay, so our exam is started. So remember, this test is kind of mock test. It's actually mimicking the real test. If you sit for TOLC simulation, then it would be really helpful for you in real exam, like in real exam how it works and what sort of things you need to prepare before going for exam. You will understand. So I highly recommend you at least 1 time sit for TOLC simulation. So in TOLC, I already told there are 4 parts: mathematics, logic, science, and reading comprehensions. So first you will start with mathematics, and this is the first questions, domanda 1, that means question number 1, and here you can see the timing, 49 minutes left only for mathematics. So you will be given each time, your allocated time will show here, so you can see how long you have and how long you already used. This termina means if you want to finish this exam, so click here, and here bottom of this screen you can see that questions number 20. If you just click this arrow button, then it will go forward sequentially, and by this button it will go back. And if you want to just go directly to, for example, 20, then you can go and you can come back. Okay, so we can arbitrarily select some, for example 13, I don't know correct answer, just giving some. Okay, 20. Now some important things I want to tell you. For example, within 20 minutes you finished 20 questions. Okay, all you done. Still you have 30 minutes on your hand, so you should stay more here and revise the options. Okay, so you should check whether you make any mistake or not, because if you go logic or next section, you are not allowed to come back. For example, let's go to logic now. Okay, here see, there is a warning that you want to go logic section, and the second options I'm not sure, you have to check them, and 16 them, I mean 16 questions you didn't answered, so still you want to go forward. Continua means continue, annulla means cancel, so let's go continue. Okay, the new section comes, and see the timing, it's started from 20. That means for mathematics there were left time, but those time wasn't included here, so that time is just wasted. Okay, so I recommend stay your more time, and if you want to go back in mathematics, it will not allow you. Okay, let's do arbitrarily some answer. So you have to correct 10 answer here. Anyway, let's go science section. Again, you have to correct them. Then let's go, okay, in science section, let's do it. Okay. Okay, now we want to go reading comprehensions here. Let's select them, continue. So these are the reading comprehensions. So this is the first text. Unfortunately, you cannot highlight or you cannot make comment, but I hope in future the authority will do such kind of arrangement so that a student can highlight the important points. Right now it's not possible. However, there are two texts, number 1 here, number 2 here. So from the first text you have to answer 5 questions, and the second text you have to answer another 5. So if you go, for example, 2, there is a questions from paragraph 2, so you can just go back and again you can read the paragraph 2 and you can choose the right answer. So this way you can finish your exam. So let's go text 2. This is the text 2. So we can correct some answer, not correcting, just for showing you. Okay, we are done. So we want to termina, that means finish the exam. To finish the exam, you have to check these options and then termina. Okay, so see, my overall results or points is 2.75. in mathematics I did 4 wrong answer, none of them was correct, and 16 I didn't answer, so total negative mark is -1. In logic I correct 2 and I didn't answer 8, I got 2. In science I correct 1 and I wronged 3, so total 0.25. and reading comprehensions I corrected 2 and I wronged 2, so in total 1.50, so total mark 2.75. not bad, what do you think? So if you want to exceed, then you have to click here, click again, maybe it takes time a little bit. Okay, we are done, we are back to our profile page again here. So if you want to do simulation again, just click here and then you can go the directory again you can choose whatever you want. You can go again for it. But remember, practice is important. So sometimes maybe you can check TOLC-I Italian version too. If there are different questions, so mark them or take a pictures and try to translate them and practice. So in that way you will be it would be helpful for you, because without practice you cannot manage your time well. Okay, I am at the end of the video. So I hope you like this video. Please share with your friends and like and comment. If you have any questions, let me know in comment sections. And last thing, please subscribe my channel. That's the most important things, because I'm investing my time for you and I need some motivation from you. So that's your support. So let me know your comment, your any opinion, or if you want to know any information, just let me know. So have a good time. Thanks for staying with me. See you again.